यस, नाउ सी, स्लाइड्स विजिबल है क्या आप लोगों को?
यस मैम।
ओके, एक्चुअली वॉइस में मेरे माइक वगैरह में कुछ इशू आ रहा था, इसलिए मैंने केशव को बुलाया था. नाउ लेट मी स्टार्ट. In the sustainable engineering, we completed air pollution. Should I recall that? देखो उसमें अपन ने particularly 5 main pollutants थे. When they come together, they form SMOG, smoke. Fine. After that other pollutant और उससे हमें अपने आप को कैसे सेव करना है वो सब अपन ने किया था. Fine. Now today we are starting water pollution. Water pollution can be defined as the presence of what? Solid, liquid or gaseous contaminants in such concentration that may alter the quality of the water. So basically what we mean by pollution, any substance which added in my water and it is affecting the water, and basically it is as the addition to the water of an excess material or a heat that is harmful to the living organism or which impairs the beneficial use of water. Okay, so I just suggest you to write down this. This is second para is more important. The addition to the water of excess material, heat that is harmful to the living organism or which impairs the beneficial use of the water. ठीक है, मतलब बेसिकली यही है कि एनी सब्सटेंस चाहे वो सॉलिड, लिक्विड या गैसियस फॉर्म में है, वो वाटर में ऐड करके अगर उसे हार्मफुल कर रहा है, दैट वाटर इज हार्मफुल फॉर लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म एंड फॉर अस, देन दैट इज कॉल्ड वाटर पोल्यूशन. ठीक है, sustainable wastewater treatment is another topic that we will do. First, we will complete today waters of pollution, sustainable waste treatment, waste water treatment. There are so many. This topic is also very carry on, move ahead. But yes, today we will try to finish our pollution part. So, what basically water is? That is a precious source, and without it, the life is not possible on the earth. So, basically, water is getting polluted day by day due to excessive and careless use. So percentage of available drinking water is reducing. So there are many ways by which causes of water pollution is going to be there, and this will be, ये definition तो मैंने अभी बता दी, that is the water excess material or heat that is harmful to the living organism or which impairs the beneficial use of water. What we mean by pure form of water? So any particular rain, snow, sleet, hail, इस तरह का जो भी फॉल हो रहा है, participation like rain that comes in all different forms depending on the temperature of the atmosphere. Mainly तो rain water है. अगर कहीं temperature बहुत ही ज़्यादा कम है, so वहाँ it is in the form of snow, burf, sleet means ओले and hail. So pure form of water is, it could be rain, snow, sleet and hail. Now what are the causes of the water pollution? This I will suggest you to note it down. I do agree, as I told, sustainable engineering में each topic you will feel, oh, it is very easy. Nothing is in it. But when we start writing, we get confused also, and sometimes we don't get the ideas. So for that purpose, I suggest my student to write down at least key point. So the causes of water pollution or main जो है, that is first is domestic water, sewage system, solid waste, industrial waste, acid rain, oil industries, and aquatic plant. These are the 7 points. Write down please. लिख लिया बेटा? प्लीज डू इन्फॉर्म if you have written.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Now I will explain you each one in a very short manner. First is the domestic waste. First cause of water pollution is domestic waste, means these are the home and इसका जो भी material मतलब we can say wastage निकल रहा है या whatever things like dustbin waste material we sometimes throw in a river or like अभी अपन को we are feeling that okay स्वच्छता abhiyan is going on and all people are gaadis are like vehicles are coming to pick the garbage. We need not to put them here and there or in a street, but what they will do, they will also throw in a nearby river or a like well, so that is again polluting them. So dumping of household waste into the water is a domestic waste. So I just suggest you जो points लिखे हैं इसको explain तो तुम भले ही एक पेज में कर दोगे, but yes, in a short write down what is my domestic waste. So dumping on a household waste into the water. Second, sewage water. Abhi like all Bhilwara people were before Corona, we were horribly disturbed by the sewage pipe management and putting on like RC Vyas, RK Colony and so many other places. Depending on the area, it used to be there कि sewage pipelines वो लगा रहे हैं. So that is also there कि okay fine that particular pipe that waste which is on the sewage pipe वो भी कहीं जाके exit होता है. So that particular area where it is exiting, that is also making the atmosphere polluted. Third is the solid waste. Solid waste is a cause of blockage in the flow of you see whether you go Haridwar or I must say any sea, Ganga river or any other Yamuna, Godavari, any river, you just not to the holy place. Just move ahead 5 to 10 kilometer away and see the river side area. All the blockage in the flow of water, it causes water as well as the air pollution. Polythene is a main solid waste. बाकी कुछ कुछ चीजें जो रहती है like your vegetables and some other consumable things that can be consumed, but polythene is never going to consume and it used to smell after mixing with the water and cause a particular water pollution. So that is solid waste. You can write down it causes blockage in the flow of water and it causes water as well as air pollution. ठीक है, इस तरह से पानी इकट्ठा होके और एक खराब हो जाता है. Now fourth is the industrial waste. Basically, see you can either go in the Ajmer road side or the Chittorgarh side. Ajmer road side very less industries are there, but in a Chittor road so many industries are there, and their industrial waste containing paper waste, rubber, metallic, aluminium waste that is drawn directly into the water which is pollutes water. ठीक है, so that is industrial waste. Industrial waste could be depending on what kind of manufacturing that company is doing. ठीक है, now next is the acid rain. So what we mean by acid rain, basically generally it happens that whatever industries are polluting, that is sulfur dioxide emission. So basically acid rain harms vegetation and water life. So basically it is nothing but जो industry अपना waste material diffuse कर रही है water में और air में, तो cloud में clouds with sulfuric acid बन रहे हैं, and here also acid or that again comes in the form of sulfur dioxide emission in the form of rain. So that sulfur dioxide emission is my acid rain that is harmful for the vegetation and the water life itself. So that is also a kind of water pollution. Next is the oil industries that exhibit so much pollution. And mainly this oil industry used to be in a riverside area. See the Saudi Arabia and other countries. how harmful they are because of these oil industries. These are the examples. Okay. Then aquatic plant. Aquatic plant, like the example is like we can say that water hecting, an aquatic plant causes pollution in the water. It is a long-lived plant which grows faster in the water bodies and absorb all essential nutrients from water, which is fatal for the marine organism. ये मैं I will suggest you to write down this. What is aquatic plants? Long-lived plant which grows faster in a water bodies. All essential nutrients from the water that is fatal for the marine organism. ये क्या होता है, जो भी marine areas है, जो भी sea shore areas हैं, वहाँ ऐसी waste plants अपने आप ही ये emerge हो जाते हैं और ये सारा water का nutritions इसमें ले लेते हैं. And that is also known as terror of Bengal due to its abandon. In a Bengal side area, it is in abandoned. It is in a huge amount, and that is a serious issue or a serious problem over there. Okay, fine. Write down this. I am giving you 2 minutes. Completed. The next is religious means. Religious means that I already been told you, particularly the religious place, whether it is a Okareshwar, Mahakaleshwar, any particular Jyotirling or any Rameshwaram, any places where riverside area is going to be there. This religious means what people pollute that water too much. Okay, so these are my 6 causes. Fine. Domestic, in short, again I am recalling domestic, sewage, solid, industrial, acid rain, oil industry, and aquatic plant. These all 7 you need to explain. If it comes, what are the causes of water pollution? This could be one question in your midterm, like causes क्या है, how to avoid that. That could be the second issue. But still ये है कि काय से हमारा water pollution होता है. Now comes the next point, that is effect of water pollution. Effects of water pollution किन से हो रहा है, ये 7 points तो हमें पता चल गए. Now by this water pollution, what is happening, that is first is death of aquatic organisms. As the water get polluted and fishes and all other aquatic plant animals used to be in that water. So due to pollute in that water, those animals death is causing frequently. That is one issue. Rivers are changed into dustbin. See the condition. Why a government again and again telling ki don't use polythene and destroy the particular cold drink bottle as you used after that? Why they are telling again and again? Because see the condition of riverside area and other, how harmful it is. That is the reason they are telling us. Okay, shortage of drinking water, because so much water is already been polluted, so there is no water for the drinking and also shortage are increased in BOD. Increase in BOD means biochemical oxygen demand जो है वो ज़्यादा बढ़ रही है. Why biochemical oxygen demand is enhancing? That is particularly BOD is what? Measure of dissolved oxygen required to decompose the organic matter in a water biologically. Fine. So biochemical oxygen जो है it demands is defined as the measure of dissolved oxygen that is required to decompose. ये लिख लो तुम लोग, बाकी तो easy going है. फोर्थ इफेक्ट जो वाटर पोल्यूशन का है कि बीओडी बढ़ रहा है. तो व्हाट इज बीओडी? दैट इज अ बायोकेमिकल ऑक्सीजन डिमांड. व्हेन द वाटर गेट पॉल्यूट सो द aquatic animals feel difficult to take breath. That is a demand or that require to decompose the organic matter in a water biology. ठीक है. प्योर वाटर में जो रहता है ppm लेस देन 1 रहता है, whereas pollute water में greater than 5 ppm. ठीक है. So till now we completed two things. First, the causes of water pollution. Second is the effect of water pollution. Now, how to control water pollution? Should I continue? Achal, Ashwini, Mandeep, सिद्धार्थ, वंदना. चलो लास्ट टॉपिक ही रह गया, मतलब कंटेंट रह गया. लेट वी सी 5 मिनट मोर. ओके, आई डू बिलीव आज बहुत कंटिन्यूएशन में हो गया, बट ऑल टीचर्स यू अंडरस्टैंड the particular efforts of the teacher, all these because of you just being at home get full knowledge and acquisition. Fine. Now see, after effect and causes of water pollution, how we can control it. So first is a stabilization of ecosystem using water hydrolytic to remove water pollutants, using chemical methods. Chemical methods क्या होते हैं? फर्स्ट तो ये कि हम किस तरह से कर सकते हैं स्टेबलाइज, ये सारा पूरा अगेन एक्सप्लेन है नीचे. केमिकल मेथड कैसे हैं? आयन एक्सचेंज, रिवर्स ऑस्मोसिस, प्रेसिपिटेशन, कॉग्निजेशन, कूलिंग मेथड, recycling, renovation, recharge and reuse of the waste water. ठीक है. So what is first control measure? Stabilization of ecosystem. How we can stabilize ecosystem? Reduction of waste at the source, burying of organic waste, fish management, proper use of water. That is come under the ecosystem. What things are coming? Reduction in a waste, burying of organic waste, fish management and proper use of water. Second thing comes sewerage treatment plant. ओके फाइन. हम अभी जो चीज हो रही है यही पॉल्यूशन को और बचाने के लिए जो सीवरेज सारी जगह पाइपलाइन चेंज हो रही है, दैट इज बेसिकली STP सीवेज ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट है. दैट पाइप टेक्स वाटर टू द ट्रीटमेंट कंट्रोल. ये जो पाइप है ये इनमें जो पानी जाएगा वो हम ट्रीटमेंट सेंटर भेजेंगे. दैट वेस्ट वाटर, दैट पॉल्यूट वाटर विल गो to treatment center. Their screening stage will be there. After screening stage, primarily treatment stage will be there, then secondary treatment stage is going to be there, and in the final treatment stage the water is going to be filtered and pour into the water. That is why the sewerage plant जो अपन कह रहे हैं ना कितने दिन से सड़क खराब कर दी, ये कर दिए. So government का ये number of crores और billion trillion का ये project है all over the India, that whatever sewerage waste water is coming out उसको हम treatment center भेजेंगे. Then is after screening it will go for primary and secondary stage, and after final treatment stage it will go to the filtering stage. I just suggest you to take screenshot and I am giving you time 2 minutes to draw this. मतलब एग्जैक्टली ऐसा नहीं बनाना है, क्योंकि ये अभी करंट इशू है, ये पूछा जा सकता है. मेनली जनरली मैंने देखा है सस्टेनेबल इंजीनियरिंग में मेनली इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं जो रिसेंट इश्यूज हैं. बनाओ जल्दी. आई होप यू ड्रॉ इट. ठीक है. आयन एक्सचेंज मेथड. दो स्लाइड ही है, जस्ट वेट. मेरे को था ज्यादा डिटेल में है तो अपन बाद में करेंगे. आयन एक्सचेंज मेथड जो है वाटर ट्रीटमेंट का, दैट इज टेरिटरी ट्रीटमेंट कहलाया जाता है. इन आयन एक्सचेंज व्हाट हैपेंस, ऑल द नाइट्रेट्स आर soluble and thus more difficult to remove. तो क्या करते हैं हम, रेसिन और जियोलाइट्स जो रहते हैं दैट कैन बी यूज टू एक्सचेंज द नाइट्रेट्स आयन इन अ पॉल्यूट वाटर with the hydroxide ion, and these positive ions can also be exchanged with H plus ions. The resulting OH minus and H plus will then combine for form water. So particularly इसमें इस तरह से रहेगा तुम्हारा आयन एक्सचेंज में कि जो भी न्यूट्रिएंट्स वगैरह H प्लस और H माइनस आयन, ये तुम और डिटेल में नेट पे देख लेना, मिल जाएगा. बट यस, दिस इज वन मेथड ऑफ योर वाटर ट्रीटमेंट. अनदर इज अ रिवर्स ऑस्मोसिस, और यहाँ मैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में इन दोनों से ही स्टार्ट अपन करेंगे. व्हाट इज आयन एक्सचेंज, ये पूरा बताया है. दिस इज माय रेसिन आयन एक्सचेंज, और ये और रिवर्स ऑस्मोसिस, ये दोनों या तो मैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में बताऊंगी, जैसे भी रहेगा. ठीक है. ओके, नाउ प्लीज गिव योर अटेंडेंस बेटा. अब अपन नेक्स्ट ट्यूसडे को मिलेंगे फॉर आवर थ्योरी लेक्चर. फाइन. टाइमिंग का कुछ भी रहा तो मैं प्री इन्फॉर्म वैसे कर दूंगी. यस आंचल. अंकित, सॉफ्टवेयर का करो तुम लोग. अश्विन, मनदीप
प्रेजेंट मैम.
मनदीप सॉफ्टवेयर करो इंस्टॉल, थोड़ा टाइम दो उस चीज को. ठीक है.
यस मैम.
और लेट मी नो. और ये कृष्ण कुमार बघेला कहाँ है, उसको बोलो. नेहा, पायल,
मैम.
शिवांगी. नेहा सॉफ्टवेयर इंस्टॉल करो बेटा. शिवांगी, सिद्धार्थ.
शिवांगी प्रेजेंट मैम.
सॉफ्टवेयर का क्या स्टेटस है शिवांगी?
मैम ट्राई कर रही हूँ मैम, होएगा तो बताऊंगी मैम.
ठीक है, हो नहीं हो, जो भी स्टेटस हो मुझे बताओ. एक वीक का मैं और तुम्हें टाइम दे रही हूँ. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट वीक जो भी इश्यूज हैं या जो भी. ठीक है. मेरे को भी है कि तुम लोग कोशिश कर रहे होंगे, बट आजकल तो क्या कुछ एरर भी आ रही है ना, वो भी तुम गूगल पे डालोगे ना तो भी उसका सॉल्यूशन मिल जाता है. इन अ लॉकडाउन होल पीरियड आई पब्लिश 3 रिसर्च पेपर. वैसे तो मुझे इक्विटी एक्शन प्लान और दूसरी चीजों में कभी टाइम मिल नहीं पाता है, इतनी वर्कशॉप और एक्टिविटीज रहती है या हमें बाहर जाना रहता है. But in that time, I got time for my research, or there were so many difficulties come across. But I just search each जो भी मुझे minor से minor problem रही, मतलब मैं मेरा एक्सपीरियंस शेयर कर रही हूँ, माइट बी इट विल हेल्पफुल फॉर यू, कि जो भी एरर कभी मुझे सॉफ्टवेयर में आती थी, कभी कहीं आती थी, और वो ऐसा टाइम था नीदर आई वॉज इन अ कॉलेज नॉर एनीवन कैन हेल्प मी एट माई होम ऑल्सो, लाइक सारे जो टेक्नीशियन और सब अपने अपने प्लेसेस पे थे. तो मैंने जस्ट आई सर्च, आई वॉच सो मेनी यूट्यूब videos how to correct error, how to do this and like that, and I improved it. So that might be help to you also. Try out. Okay. Have a nice weekend. Okay beta.
मैम वंदना ऑल्सो प्रेजेंट.
ओके वंदना, मैं तुमसे भी एक्सपेक्ट करती हूँ कि नेक्स्ट वीक तक सॉफ्टवेयर हो जाएगा बेटा, है ना?
यस मैम.
ओके.